Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to make iPhone automatically stop charging. Now, for this step to work out, you will need to go ahead to your shortcuts, right? And your shortcuts, what you're going to do, you're going to just go ahead and click automation, and you're going to just go ahead and click the plus button right here at the top right. Now, what I'm going to do, you're going to see right here personal automation, scroll a little bit down, scroll a little bit down, scroll a little bit down until you find right here battery level, and just go ahead right here and click the battery a level or something like that. And basically once you go ahead to battery level, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and select the range, the range that you want the charger to stop, right? Or to set the order or stop charging, right? So you can just set it to whatever percentage that you actually want, right? Let's have example 95, and then select next, right? And then add the action basically. And what you're gonna do, basically you're gonna just go ahead and click add action. So we're gonna just go ahead right here and just start looking for show notification, speak test, or add like a new blank or something like that. All right, let me just start looking for, yeah, this is like my shortcut. So I'm gonna just go ahead right here and click new blank, right? So basically I'm gonna just add the action, right? And then it's gonna open up like suggestion from your apps and all that, and just you will see it appearing to you right here. And this, just go ahead right here and just go ahead and type speak text, right? And basically you're gonna just select the first option, right? Now what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and hit text, right? Hit text, and I'm gonna just go ahead and type charging, all right? Charging notification, right? And basically I'm gonna just go ahead right here and type charge notification, and then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just hit next or hit done at the top right here. And basically I'm gonna just go ahead to this one, right? And basically what you're gonna do, and you're gonna just go ahead right here to the automation, and what you're gonna do, go ahead and just run after confirmation, right? And leave it at that. So basically what you're gonna do next, you're gonna just go ahead and run it immediately if you wanted to, right? Or notify when run. And basically what you're gonna do, just hit done at the top right and apply the settings, and basically that's it. All right, and let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.